Cafe Racer 152 and this is the Yamaha MT-15. Mataas nga siya, no? Hindi ko lang ma-video yung sarili ko eh. Pero kasi hindi ko talaga siya abot. As in. Pero tatandaan nyo, sa pagmumotor, hindi porket di nyo abot yung bike, di nyo na kaya patakbuhin yun. Shit! Ah, ganda! Sarap! Woohoo! Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the Greyt journey. Gnarly road ahead. Buti na lang hindi maulan ngayon. Oops. So before you judge me, unahan ko na kayo. I'm not wearing any riding gears or proper attire for riding. I don't have any gloves. I'm only wearing slippers, t-shirt, and shorts. Whoa! Gusto kong dumihan ngayon to si Cafe Racer 152 eh. Dito tayo dadaan. Ayan. Pinadaan ko talaga siya sa maputik eh. Minsan masarap din mag-off-road eh. Pero anyway, mabalik ako dun sa suot ko ngayon kung ba't ako nakaganto lang. Though I'm wearing a helmet, malapit lang po kasi yung pupuntahan natin. Oops, it's like 2 to 3 kilometers away lang sa bahay namin. And yun nga, so kaya hindi ako nagsuot ng proper riding attire. And besides, hindi naman ako sa main road dumaan. So nakita nyo naman yung dinadaanan natin ngayon. Dito tayo sa gitna dadaan. You see that? So ngayon papunta tayo ng Lancaster. Pupuntahan tayong tropa, si Jasper, chairman ng LHRC or Lancaster Homeowners Riders Club. So pupunta ako dun sa ginagawa niya ngayon na it's a business actually. There is this place sa likod ng simbahan ng Lancaster. Kung iba sa inyo ay pamilyar, no? Sa likod nun, there is an area na ini-establish nila, no, to become like a riders or bikers tambayan. Meron na dong car wash or moto wash. Gusto nyo magpalinis. It's like a chill place. Hindi lang para sa mga riders, but since si Jasper ay rider din, and mostly katambay talaga ng riders and bikers. There you go, Lancaster New City. See that? Ayan yun yung simbahan. Pupuntahan natin ay dito sa likod ng simbahan. Nakikita ko na. So dito siya, guys. Hopefully nandito si Jasper. Ayun na, dami nilang ginagawa. Mukhang nandito yung motor niya eh. Si Jasper, naka-Tri-City yun. At saka naka-Harley siya before. I believe dinispatch siya na yung Harley niya. So ito yung bagong motor niya na first time ko palang makikita. Yamaha MT-15. Cool. Yung nakaraan nag-insurance sila na panood ko sa Facebook eh. Hindi ako nakasama doon. Lagi akong niyayaya nitong tropa ko na mag-endurance ride kami. Lagi na akong hindi nakakasama. Jasper ka. Andun. Sir, pwede na magpa-car wash?
Ha? Karating mo lang.
Kumusta bro?
Kanina ka pa ba?
Kakarating ko lang. Malapit na matapos man. Onting-onti na lang.
Sunday ka kumataw ng papablog mo, ganda mo.
Jasper is one of the good friends of mine. He's a businessman and also a bike enthusiast. As mentioned, he's one of the founders and currently chairman of Lancaster Homeowners Riders Club. He had been to many endurance rides together with our fellow rider friends and his club members. He's a family man with kids and has a lot of business to cater to. That's why in my visit to him, I offered him a supplement that I've been taking for a while now. If you have watched my vlog going to Mindoro, I have ridden for 12 hours and that's after an 8-hour shift and had still managed to have a chill drinks with our friends. That's one of my secrets, taking USANA. I can't explain to you the science out of it, but it sure is effective and I and my family are using it. If you want to learn more about USANA, you can contact me on my Facebook page, The Greyt Journey, and I'll be sure to refer you to one of the experts.
So, medyo nakainom na tayo. 2 bottles. And this is my bike, Cafe Racer 152, and this is the Yamaha MT-15. Kita niyo naman sa upuan pa lang mataas to. And sobrang tingkayad. Grabe. Pero tatandaan nyo, sa pagmumotor, hindi porket di nyo abot yung bike, di nyo na kaya patakbuhin yun. Pero syempre, it's your daily bike, mas maganda yung gamay mo, di ba? Hindi ko lang ma-video yung sarili ko eh. Pero kasi hindi ko talaga siya abot. As in, we're gonna try it out. Bago pa lang tong bike na to. So this is like 1 month old. Pansin niyo pa ako. Ganyan, di ba? Sa kabila, hindi ko naabot. Pinalitan niya. Binangga daw siya ng jeep kanina eh.
Tingnan ko pa kung alin yung nasira.
Ay, nice. Ang bilis ah. So naka-primera na siya. Try natin i-neutral. So this is neutral. Napakagalambot. Primera. Oh shit. Ang sarap. Super smooth. Man. Woohoo. Medyo mababa lang yung foot brake kumpara sa nakasanayan ko, no? Jasper told me why this is called MT. Sabi niya, master of torque. And I can say yeah. Kapit din ng preno ah. Shit. Oh man. Napaka-smooth, man. Sarap gamitin. Oops. Crossing. Ligo tayo. Hindi ako sanay na may top box sa likod. Hindi ko nakikita yung likuran. Oh shit. I can't help it. I keep saying shit. Ang ganda. Sarap. Kailangan ko na mag-ingat sa brake, sobrang kapit. I don't wanna skid, you know. This is a 1-month-old bike na sinabak na sa endurance. Told you, hindi nyo kailangan abot yung bike para makapag-motor kayo, no? Kita nyo naman yung paa ko, di ba? Oh shit, ang sarap. Very smooth yung shifting compared to, of course, magkano lang yung presyo ng Cafe Racer 152 compared to this bike, ba? So syempre performance expected na natin yun. Ang ganda ng tunog. Sobrang kapit ng foot brake. So dapat mag-iingat kayo. Oh shit, ang sarap. Shit. That's almost. Yung babae na to tuwan niya eh. Shit, ang sarap gamitin. Kaya pala eh, 1 month pa lang pinang-endurance ka agad, 500 kilometers eh. Woohoo! Mukhang delikado sa akin tong bike na to, na-overwhelm ako. Lalo na't may konting impluensya tayo ng alcohol. Oops. See, yung tingkayad ko. Super tingkayad. Naalala ko tuloy yung Tri-City ni Jasper. Sobrang tingkayad ko rin nun. Pag humihinto ako, nahihirapan ako eh. So dapat walang hintuan to. Sarap gamitin man. Tingkayad ko. Oops, neutral. Smooth. Side stand. Side stand. Side stand. Ayaw. Side stand. Side stand. Yan. Oh, see? Sarap. Hindi ko pa ma-extend yung paa ko, may top box. Pero ang sarap gamitin, panalo. Sa CR152 pa lang tingkayad na ako eh. Dito pa kaya. Yung tingkayad ko isang paa na lang kasi hindi naabot ng kabila kong paa. Anyway, thank you Jasper for allowing us to test ride your very new bike.
If this is your first time tuning into this channel, I do a combination of moto vlogs and travel vlogs. Please be sure to smash that subscribe button and the bell icon for you to be notified for future uploads. And you can also check out the video section for more.